Read me, with topic.
Disparity.
3, 2, 1, go.
Disparity. Disparity refers to the unequal distribution of resources, opportunities, and outcomes across different groups of people, such as those based on race, gender, socioeconomic status, or geographic location. Disparities can arise from a variety of factors, including discrimination, historical injustices, and systemic barriers. They can lead to significant social, economic, and health disparities, such as lower life expectancy, higher rates of poverty, and limited access to education and healthcare. Addressing disparities requires addressing their root causes, promoting policies that promote equity and social justice, and providing equal access to opportunities and resources for all individuals, regardless of their background.